Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is we are going to be discussing, well, a really nice pair of Jordan 4s that got much cheaper on the market. And I think the main reason for this was bulk sellers. We'll get into, again, all the details and all that in a sec, but we're going to be discussing the Rare Air Jordan 4. Again, a really nice pair of Jordan 4s, which you can grab for right around retail right now on most apps, which I think is a great deal for this pair right here, considering the unique details, removable patches, all that. It's a cool pair. Let's get into it though. If you guys do want more sneaker content like this, then go ahead, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Do not forget the normal goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. So if we could do that, that'd be great. If not, no worries. You guys can also check me out on my IGs down below, the Whatnot Lives. Don't forget we're live there pretty much every single day. So if y'all want to check that out, see some of the stuff we got for sale, come support what we do. It would mean a lot. If not, no worries. Just come tune in for the giveaways we do. We gave away 2 pairs of sneakers yesterday, some fuchsia Dunk Lows, the women's ones, and also a pair of Haley Wilson SBs. So always fire giveaways. Hope to see you guys there. Don't miss out. And yeah, why don't we get into discussing this Jordan 4 right here, since it's a very nice pair, but they're much cheaper now. So let's discuss why. So first we're going to get into, again, just showing y'all the pair and what we got right here. So the Rare Air 4s, as you guys can see, the details up close, man, the kind of aged midsole look, all black look throughout the top part or the upper of the sneakers. You guys can see back here by the heel, that kind of blue look right there, Nike Air. And then of course the soles as well, very unique. I like what we got with these, and also again the removable patches. You can, you know, put it on the sneaker however you like, and you got some unique insoles right there as well. As you guys can see, that says Rare Air. Well, you probably can't see it super well, but that's what it says right there in the insoles in case you were curious. And you also have, excuse me, this blue tag, which is kind of translucent. You can see through it a little bit. So that's another little detail right there. You guys can see a few things on this pair. Check out the other pair. These are my size, so I might just end up keeping these. And we do a bulk of these actually on the way for the Whatnot streams. We'll be starting them at $1. Stay tuned, y'all. That's gonna be a crazy stream. And yeah, you guys can see by the heel, all around the sneaker, super wearable. I think that's one of the main things that I like about the shoe. All the colors blend together really nicely, in my opinion, and make for a really good sneaker. That's at least what I think. I think everything really fits together, as y'all can see back here by the heel on both the shoes. Very nice pair. Sorry, is that focusing? Hopefully that is. There you go, as y'all can see right there. Super clean, fire look to these. So I like the Rare 4s. But aside from, you know, just what they look like, because I know you guys are curious about what they look like. They got some nice extra laces with them too, by the way. But again, y'all can see what we got right here. Very nice, wearable colorway, easy to put on. Why don't we go ahead and dive into not just what they look like, but the resale prices and why they're much cheaper. So you guys can see again. I might keep these, man. These are nice. I like them, bro. So let's get into it. I remember when people were paying like $700 for those early. So it is sometimes best to wait. So as you guys can see, taking a look, we're right here looking at the resale prices, and you guys can see the lightning bolt symbol is still there. This is one of those sneakers I feel like might always have that. It's always going to have high volume. It's always going to be one that people are going to, and will be a fairly popular bet. And as you guys can see, look at the highest bid, man. Who is doing that for these? $768? You're tripping. That must be a size that's just like not listed, or a different region. Yeah, I think it's probably a different region. Where there just isn't a pair, you know what I'm saying, or where there isn't as many of them. But you guys can see the current resale range that we have on the sneaker, between a range of about, as you guys can see, $200 to $230. The bigger sizes are going for a bit more, floating a little bit closer to retail, with some of the smaller ones a little bit under it at the moment. So I feel like that, again, is not something that is unexpected with this pair. If you go look at what bulk has been available, it's mainly been sizes under 11. But I do want to say this, the prices that people have been getting bulk at, between I think like 190 to 200 range, that's probably not going to last forever. Like, we're going to see the sneaker get expensive surely. With the amount of volume it has alone, it just has to get more expensive. That's a lot of pairs selling every 3 days, especially as you get further and further away from the release, and this sneaker continues to have good sales volume. I think this will just be one of those ones that ends up slowly creeping up in price. You remember the Black Cat 3s. You remember a lot of sneakers like this that had high sales volume, and, you know, at one point we're going for like retail, but then you go look at them now, they're not anywhere near retail. Go look at the Black Cat 3s. They're going for like $300. You know what I mean? So it's like, you just have to sometimes get the sneaker, you know what I'm saying, when it is a little bit cheaper. Kind of like this one. I feel like this will be a very similar bet to like the Black Cat 3s, because keep in mind, those were always very popular. People liked them, and you can see what they're doing right now. Now, the Black Cats, I feel like, again, are going to be the ones that make more progress and do a bit better. It's just a bit more wearable of a colorway, and, you know, has a little bit more hype to it. It's also on the Jordan 3. People love Jordan 3s. But again, this is also on the Jordan 4, so you can't forget about that. People love 4s. I mean, I'm not doing the which is better debate, Jordan 3 or Jordan 4. Hey, y'all can get into it in the comments. I think both are great pairs, but I mean, if you want my honest answer, I wear 4s more often, so that's what I would go with personally. Hey, here we go. But yeah, again, y'all can see what we got with this sneaker between a range of, again, 200, 230. I think in a few months, we'll probably see these chilling at 230, 250, and then from there we'll see them slowly creep up over time to 300 bucks. The reason I don't think these will get super expensive is because, again, I mean, they were there early, but that was, again, when there was like no pairs on the market. There's a lot more pairs available on the market now, so kind of understanding that usually is what makes a sneaker get cheaper and, you know, be a bit more easily available. So in order for these to get more expensive, we're gonna have to wait some time, you know what I'm saying, when less people have their pair. But looking at these, man, I can tell you this is a nice shoe, man. I already know that people like this shoe. That's one thing I can say. Like, this is the type of shoe that people would probably pay more for at a resale shop if they just saw it in hand and didn't really know what they were. It's a really cool pair of Jordan 4s. I'm very surprised by the prices we got. I don't feel like it's gonna last this under retail range or 200, 230 range. Again, take advantage of it in my opinion, because even in the small sizes, I could see them being 250 bucks. Go look at most Jordan 4s that are nice. They're not this cheap. Just saying. So that's really what I think about this pair right here. It's really good as a long-term hold in my opinion over the next 6 to 12 months. I could definitely see these making some slight progress. I think, again, mainly around Christmas time, we'll start seeing these creep up in price, because, again, it's just a bit, it's a more affordable Jordan 4. So, again, people are going to run to apps and cop that one as a good gift. But then again, when everybody's going to cop the same shoe, it's going to cause them to run up in price at least a little bit. So that's what I think, again, about the rares in terms of their long-term pricing. Do they have grade school? Yeah, what are the grade school sizes? Yeah, here we go. These sizes as well, again, I always tell y'all this, 6.5Y, 7Y. Look what's going to happen. Hold sizes 6.5Y and 7Y in the shoe, and 6Y, and I guarantee you they're going to be much more expensive in the future. Look what they're doing right now. Look, I'm telling you, 6Y plus in this shoe is going to be 200 plus very shortly. I can almost guarantee it. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's because they don't make as many pairs of grade school Jordan 4s, and they're, you know, have almost the same amount of volume. Because parents, you know, trying to go get a pair to match with their kids, or, you know, someone that is a grade school size is trying to go get their pair. You know what I mean? So just look at those sizes: 6.5Y, 7Y, rare Jordan 4. That's going to be a very good hold. Normally, grade school Jordan 4s are above $200. Go look at the white cements; they're above $200 in those sizes. So I would hold. That's my thoughts on the GS sizes, at least. Excuse me. Definitely hold those sizes. That's my opinion, though. So again, if y'all want to know the best sizes to hold, I think it's going to be 11 plus. I think those are the ones you are going to see make the most progress. The ones you see a bit more expensive right now, those would be the ones that, again, I would look at as a long-term hold if you're looking to hold this shoe. But again, there are better bets out there. We got Travis Scott releases on the way, stuff like that. But again, I'm just trying to let y'all know what's going to be happening with the prices. If you maybe got a pair or two on ice, trying to see what's happening, hey, these are going to end up doing good in my opinion, because it looks really good right now. That's my thoughts, at least. So we're ended the screen recording right there, and that is my thoughts, guys, again, on the Rare Air Jordan 4. I really like these in hand, man. I think it's a slick, easy to wear pair. You really can't go wrong with these. And let me know how y'all are feeling about these. For me, again, I think it's an easy to rock colorway. You really can't go wrong with something like this in the collection, because, again, it's always going to be, you know what I mean, a good bet, something easy. And yeah, just let me know how y'all are feeling, again, about these, and if you have a pair or if you're holding on to one, hey, just let me know. But that's pretty much it for today, guys. If y'all want more content like this, then feel free to go ahead, subscribe, and like down below. I'm just trying to 300 likes on this video. That is the normal goal that we always shoot for. If you guys have any questions down below, feel free to ask them there. I will try and get back to y'all ASAP as always, man. You know how it is. And make sure y'all check out the Whatnot Lives down below. Do not forget we're going live there today, tomorrow, pretty much every single day. So make sure y'all check that out. We're getting stuff out ASAP as well. Anyone that ordered stuff yesterday or the day before, that's going out today, tomorrow, and the next day. We're shipping everything every day that we can, literally until Saturday. I mean, the post office is closed on Sunday, so we're going to go there every day, mailing stuff until then. And yeah, that's really it, guys. Let me know how y'all feeling about the Rare Air 4s. Very nice, easy to rock colorway, and yeah, that's what I think, man. It's a nice pair of 4s. So I'm T. Thank you, guys. Hopefully I will catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. And again, everything else is down below in the pinned comment. And I just want to mainly know how y'all doing. How y'all doing? You doing good? Hey, let me know in the comments, and let me know if you got a pair of these. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. I'm T. I'll catch y'all next one tomorrow, and see you guys then. Peace out.